Hi guys, I'm Maharaj, Artistic Director at Toni&Guy North Audley Street in Mayfair. I'm going to be showing you guys a how-to men's tutorial on how to style wavy to curly hair using label.m products and label.m tools. Stay tuned. So the two products I've chosen today is from the anti-frizz range, which is the shampoo and the conditioner. What these two products are going to do, the shampoo is going to gently cleanse the scalp and the hair without disturbing the cuticle, and then also the conditioner is going to pack the hair full of nutrients and add a lot of moisture, which is going to help us to manage the frizz when we come to blow dry the hair. To apply the product, you want to make sure you don't apply too much of the foam into your hand. Always start with a little bit first, starting from the roots and taking it through to the lengths and ends. Very important that you get it on the roots. That's going to make sure that you get root lift at the end when you blow dry your hair. You want to grab your label.m comb and you want to start to comb the hair. You want to make sure that that product evenly distributes from the roots to the lengths and ends. What you want to do, you want to start to style the hair exactly how you want to wear it. So for myself, I know I like to wear my hair forwards. I'm going to start to just use my fingertips, make sure I'm massaging the roots so that I get as much root lift as possible. Okay, so now that we're ready to blow dry, you want to make sure that the hair dryer is on medium heat and medium power to ensure that we natural dry the hair. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys my go-to finishing product, starting with the dry volumizing paste. So what this product is going to do is going to give me a lot more root lift and added volume and texture. I like to mix it with the label.m power paste. Now what this is going to do is going to give us a low shine that's going to make the hair look nice and healthy, but it's also going to give us a lot of hold to hold the natural movement and texture in there as well. Take your hands, place your fingertips into the roots of the hair and scrunch very gently. You want to hold the hair so that the product starts to distribute nice and evenly and soak into the hair. And you can see it starts to create a lot more volume and texture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to finish the hair and then I'll show you guys the end result. Thank you guys for tuning in from myself and the Toni&Guy family around the world. Stay safe and see you guys on the next tutorial.